I think what gets a lot of people is that at 1 minute, everything's fine. The next minute, everything's not fine. And then the next minute after that again, well, it's perfect weather, but a massive amount of cleanup to do. So that is fairly regular when you think about it with a lot of things. Everything seems fine. Is it? You got to be ready and you got to be prepared. So a couple of interesting things I did. I made sure I dropped the pool level down, which was good because that pool level popped back up as things go. So what else you want to be ready for? If you're not ready, then you wind up in big trouble. Could be potentially massive trouble from not being ready. There's a time to prepare that is beforehand, not the day of, not the morning of when everyone else is running around kind of nuts and crazy. You don't want to be that way. So get prepared in advance. Speaking of being prepared, I've got a $20 hurricane bonus bundle that is perfect for teaching you how to be prepared and get your business in the right groove when the time is right, rather than waiting for it to be too late. So jump on that now. Offers valid just for the next couple of days, $20 for the bonus bundle.